Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use stock screener for identifying the right stocks for investing. So this is the TradingView terminal. So you can go into stock screener. Here you can see different stock screeners. So what we have is stock screener, ETF screener, and there are other things. You can very well use my indicator in any of this, but let's stick with the stock screener. So here you have to drop down and select a new screen. So in this case, I'm going to show you a demo. So I just created a demo. Here I see the default market is as India market. So you can choose any market that you want. Let's stick with India market for this demo. So next one is market cap. So market cap, you can define whatever market cap you want. Just as an example, I choose 2 billion and above, which is 200 crores above stocks that are companies that are 200 crores and above. So next one is PE. So I want to choose a PE that is not more than 100. So just as an example, I have chosen 100. Next one is RSI. So I want to choose an RSI that is less than 90. So if you start selecting RSI, you can see daily time frame. So which you have to change it to weekly because we are seeing weekly chart. So if you are using daily chart, you can use daily. But since we are in this instance, we are using weekly chart, so I'm selecting weekly. So I want to choose RSI that is below 90. So I just select that. So your stocks are getting filtered. I see Reliance, TCS, HDFC Bank, all couple of times mentioned here. So I'll just go and select a primary listing. I'll select yes. So in this case, it will show either BSC or NSE. So you can see right now the stock, the company list has narrowed down. The next one I wanted to see is new high. So I want to see what are the stocks that are at all-time high. So I select new high and I select all-time high. In this case, I see several companies that are showing up. What I would recommend you is keep all-time high. If you want to choose a different mm, option, you can very well choose that. The next one is MACD. So I want to choose MACD on a weekly again. So since I'm using weekly time frame, I also have to select weekly. Uh, this is level I'm selecting. So in order to explain you about MACD, here what you can see is the blue line, which is a MACD level line, and then the brown line is a signal line. So whenever a blue line crosses above the brown line, which is level line crossing above the signal line, that is when you can see there is a uptrend in the stock. So this shows a clear indication about, this will give some indication about when is the right time to enter into the market, or enter into that particular stock. So that is about MACD. So in here, what I want to choose is level cross up signal. I want to see only stocks that are crossing up. So in this case, I can see just six stocks that are showing, that are coming out in my filter. So here, as a summary, I would say I have selected India market. I have selected market cap 200 and above, 200 crores and above. Uh, PE is less than equal to 100, and RSI less than 90, and primary listing is yes, new high, all-time high, and MACD level cross up signal. So I can see just six stocks coming here. So if I'm happy with the filter that I'm doing here, you can go and save it. So again, when you drop down, you can see whatever you have saved will appear here. So I'll just show you what we can do as a next step is you can see what of this which of the six companies are good to buy now. So if I select Bharti Airtel, so you can see the level has crossed up signal, and at the same time you can see there is a partial buy signal. So this can be one of the potential buying opportunity. The next one is Bajaj Auto. So a couple of weeks it is showing partial buy signals. So again, MACD is crossing up. So this may be right time to enter in here because it has corrected for multiple weeks. So Radhika Khetan, again, this is showing a clear buy signal, which is showing very confident. At the same time, MACD is crossing over. So you can see the stock has corrected, or maybe is range bound for multiple weeks. Maybe it is tending to go up. It's up to you to choose which stocks from here you want to start exploring or start accumulating. So this is a part one of the demo of screening. So this is there will be a follow-up uh, video to explain one more option which you can choose for buying the stocks.